Hello my friends, welcome back. So today we got another solar charger power bank to show you guys. So let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what's inside. And as you can see, I'm not gentle with my packaging. We just go right for it. You guys know how it is. User manual they provide you with. They also provide you with the power cable for charging and other devices. Now it is a micro USB port, USB plug. So you guys can use this to charge it, or you can charge it by solar. So you just open this up, and as you guys can see, it is a multi-panel power bank. So you got 4 miniature panels here that collect the sun, which powers this. Press and hold to turn on the light, and you have all these different light modes. Just a solid mode. It is pretty bright. Press and hold it to turn it off. On the side here you have your battery indicator, so that lets you know how much power has been stored. Open this up and you have your USB ports and your power port. So you have 2 USB ports in here. And if you want to charge this by a USB port, you just plug this in and then plug this into any USB outlet and it will charge your device. Or just set this in the sun. Even under a cloudy day, you can still pull in solar. Overall, it's nice, foldable, and great for camping, hiking, in emergency.